probably one of the fakest gurus on YouTube. You don't even have one live trading session and you want people to pay for your courses? This is a 95% win rate. STFU, you're a fraud. Okay. LMAO, paper trading, ha ha ha. That is what this dude, 𝐸𝐸828, said about my videos. Let's go check out some of the videos that he commented on. Now, look at the top right. It says QT Real. Does it say demo? No, it doesn't say demo. It says QT Real. That means this is a live trading account. Yeah, live. Not demo, live. Now, in case you don't know what paper trading is, this dude is referring to a demo account. I prove everything that I do, including trading on a real account. And do you really think I would run a live class on a demo account? No. We went from 101,882 to 105 in this video. And let's check out the top right of this one, 121,918. Let's check out the video from either yesterday or the day before, 61,954. I believe I ended at 66,560 or 650. Let's check out this one, 61,954. That was for this video where I'm explaining this specific strategy. This one is 2,210. And oh wait, am I charging for my classes? No, I'm not. You can actually go into Discord and you can access all my courses for free. Every single one of these. The Golden Setup, Foundation and Concepts, Two-Touch Strategy, Master the Trade Part 1, Master the Trade Part 2, Spillover, The Hustle, and yeah. Do people pay me? Yes, they absolutely do, because they want to actually learn. Yes, I do charge for one-to-one training, as you can see in this ad down here on the bottom right. And yes, I run live trading sessions, and yes, I have a mentorship, which I do charge for. So this dude, 𝐸𝐸828, you should probably stick to drumming. For the rest of you that actually want to learn how to do this, you can learn for free right on Discord. The link is always at the top of the screen. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Don't be like this dude.